Mike's Car Hole. Today I'm replacing the taillights. You see I'm adding some exhaust fluid here. Car is low, it needed it. I have a separate video on that I'll link. I'm not going to dive into this too much, just going to let this finish and get into the taillights. I'm replacing all the lights on the back of the car. That's empty. So start with the middle ones. So I'll show you kind of on the back. You have this one that's connected to the trunk lid. It's got 3 lights in it, but you just come here, there's a little indent, you can see that. You just take a screwdriver, pop that down, and it's got these two tabs, and all you do is just unscrew them. They should come off relatively easily. One's off, set that out of the way. This one's off. And then with this, if you can tell, there's a red tab. You're just gonna pull that red tab down, and then there's an indent right here, and you just push and pull, and it'll unhook the electric. And now this light will come off the car, but it will come off. So you have to kind of come out from the middle and push towards the X side of the car, and it's off. And then with this one, I gotta get this bottle out of the way. Don't make the mistake like I initially did. I already took the other side off to see. You don't need to mess with these to get access. There is an access panel right here, a little square panel, and there's just a tab on the inside. I can show you the other one. It's right here. This is what it looks like. And you're just gonna, you can undo it with your hands. And that's the only thing holding this part of the taillight on. So once that's off, just like the other side, this one will pull off. You still have to pull from inside and out. There's a little tab that kind of holds it. Same thing like before. There's the plug. So you're gonna remove the red, and then that little indent right there will release it. And so that's all of those ones. And then there's only one other light. I've already taken this side off. These are your license plate lights, and there's a little notch right here, and you're just gonna pop that. That'll pop out, and then you just unplug it. There's no pull tab, it's just a little tab right here, and disconnect. And I've got all these lights on the other side already off the car over here, so I'll show you how to take these apart, and I'll show you what we need. So all the lights you need for the back, this is every light you'll need for the back. These are your brake lights, 7506. I'm not sure what these ones are. And then you needed 6. So I'll show you how to open these up. This, you don't actually need a tool. You just kind of pull these red tabs. There's 4 all the way around it. Maybe I do need a screwdriver. Just kind of work it. Don't force it because it is plastic and it can break. So let's release 3 of them. Okay, all 4. Here's the big bulb. That one's there. Put the new bulb in. And you don't have to worry about touching these bulbs with your hands. These aren't like your headlight ones. Okay. That's back in. Same thing going back on. Just line everything up, be careful. Click it on all 4 spots. All 4 good to go on that one. This one, it's the same thing. There's 4 little tabs. They're a little bit smaller. There's one here, here, and actually there's 3 tabs, excuse me. Looks like a bulb fell in there, so that's, there we go, lost it. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 of those little ones. Here, and one of the bigger ones. Like it's housed right. this. I feel like I may have put that in wrong. Okay, so that one's there. And then the last light, you should just be able to pop it. This one I'm gonna clean a little bit. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, but you just pop this little bulb out. Kind of massage it. You should be able to pull it with your hands, but can't quite do it. Get away from me, B. There we go. And that's just another one of those little ones. But this one needs to be cleaned up, so I'm gonna clean this one up before I do it. But that's essentially all you got to do to replace all the rear lights on the Volkswagen Passat. If you've made it this far, thanks for being with me today. Hit that subscribe button, notifications. I know that I'm not always great about getting stuff out to you. And again, if you need to see how to do the diesel fluid thing, I'll link that in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.